Hello my dear students, welcome back in our today's class and we are in the chapter number 7, that is lenses. Okay, yes. So before moving to our today's topics, let's revise what we have learned in our last class. So we have learned in the last class about what images formed by concave lenses. You all know that what is a concave lens, right? Don't forget that. I have already told you that you have to fix the image of convex lens and concave lens in your mind very well. Okay, so here in this what there is two rules. Okay, yes. So first rule is what? When the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. Yes, the refracted ray when extended backward, okay, passes through the focus. This is the refracted ray. Okay, AD is a refracted ray. तो वो जो extend हो जाती है backward में, then it passes through the focus. Here you can see this passes through the focus. And the second is what? When the incident ray passes through the focus, the refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis. So when the incident ray is passes through the focus, यहाँ से जाती है, then refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, yes. Then here you can see that this is the incident ray. PA is the incident ray. Okay, yes, object is over here. PQ is the object. Here you can see the refracted ray. Okay, and here you can, we have to, what we have to do, we have to extend this ray in the backward direction through the focus. Okay, and the second ray will always go from the optical center. Yes, and here you can see both the 2 points, they never meet. So what we have to do, we have to extend this so that they will meet at a particular point. Okay, and that point we will mark it as the image formed. Okay, so here P dash Q dash is a point, or this is the portion where the image gets formed. ठीक है, so this image is which type of image? This image is a virtual image. Okay, virtual and erect because both the directions are similar. Okay, yes, so their diagram tells us about that only. Then we have seen the sign convention. What is sign convention? Here you can see the direction of incident ray. This is a convex lens, this is a concave lens. Yes, and here the basic things which are given over here, that is here you can see the object is always placed on the left side of the lens. Yes, यहाँ पे object होता है हमेशा. All the distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the optical center. तो वो कहाँ से measured होती है? Optical center से. ठीक है? Yes. Then the distances measured to the right of O are taken to be positive. यहाँ से right side, O के right side में positive distance होता है, and while those measured to the left are taken to be negative. And लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाले, लेफ्ट साइड वाले कौन से डिस्टेंस होते हैं? नेगेटिव वाले. सो द डिस्टेंस परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एंड अबाव आर टेकन टू बी पॉजिटिव. और अबाव क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव होता है, एंड बिलो क्या होता है? नेगेटिव होता है. एंड द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस इज व्हाट? पॉजिटिव, वाइल द कॉन्केव लेंस जो है वो नेगेटिव होती है. येस, then we have learned about the lens formula. What is the lens formula? The formula showing the relation between the distance of the object, that is u, the distance of the image, that is v, and the focal length, okay, is called as lens formula. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, दैट इज 1 अपॉन एफ इज इक्वल टू, दैट इज द फोकल लेंथ. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी द लेंस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज 1 अपॉन एफ इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन वी माइनस 1 अपॉन यू. ओके, देन मैग्निफिकेशन. व्हाट इज मैग्निफिकेशन? मैग्निफिकेशन इज ड्यू टू अ लेंस. ओके, due to a lens is the ratio of the height of the image, okay, to the ratio of height of the object. Okay, ratio of height of the image to the height of object. ठीक है? Yes. Then we have learned the power of lens. What is the power of lens? Power, which means what? Capacity. So the capacity of the lens to converge or diverge the incident rays is called as power P. ठीक है? Yes. And then the last we have learned about combination of the lenses. Here we have to combine. So if the two lenses with the focal length f1 and f2 are kept in contact with each other, then what we will get? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. ठीक है? Yes. So this is about yesterday's class, and today we are going to see a very interesting and very sensitive part of this chapter, which is very easy, and that is about what? Human eye and working of its lens. Yes, obviously हमारे आई के अंदर भी लेंस होता है. Yes. So कौन सा लेंस होता है, क्या होता है, that we will see in detail right now. It is very very easy. So here just think about this diagram, which is very easy. So before moving to the next part, you need to know what is each and everything called. ठीक है? Yes. So here you can see this part, this black color का ये जो है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is called as eyelid. Okay, that is called as eyelid. Okay, now here you can see in between this there is a very black color वाला part. Okay, ये जो है बीच का उसको क्या बोलेंगे? That is called as pupil. Okay, that is called as pupil. एकदम बीच वाला part. Now here you can see this white color का portion. Yes, this white color का portion, here you can see this. Yes, so that is called as sclera. Okay, it is called as sclera. And here you can see the bluish color things, whatever is there. This bluish color, that is called as what? It is called as iris. So this will be different for everyone. This will be different for each and everybody according to their structure of eyes. Okay, तो यहाँ पे किसी का blue होता है. Okay, almost सबका black नहीं होता. Okay, you can see the brown thing, brown वाला portion over here. So it is different for everyone. And here you can see corners. ये जो ending वाला part है, यहाँ पे देखो ये जो ending वाला है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Corners. ठीक है? So this is called as eyelid. Now एकदम बीच वाला pupil. Here this white portion sclera. Okay. Then this blue wala thing is called as iris, and this is corner wala part, that is called as corners. ठीक है? Yes. And this is a construction of human eye. Okay. So what each and everything is called, let's see. Okay, this is just a basic kind of thing, a diagram, and this diagram is very important. This will ask for exam for to draw. Every time this used to ask in the exam for drawing. Okay, तो सब कुछ जो है वो ध्यान में रखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. The important things which are there, that only you have to remember in this diagram. ठीक है? Okay, so let's start. Yes. So here you can see there is a very thin transparent cover which is called as membrane on the human eye. Okay, and this is called as cornea. Here you can see a very thin, here you can see cornea, a very thin transparent cover. This, only this वाला part, सबसे पहले. ठीक है? Here you can see the cornea. ये छोटा वाला part जो दिख रहा है. Okay, here you can see the cornea. ये वाला इतना सा जो part है, इतना सा ये first वाला, that is called as what? That is called as cornea. Okay, yes. Then the light enters the eye through it. Light कहाँ से enter हो जाती है? ये cornea में से ही enter हो जाती है. ठीक है? Maximum amount of incident light is refracted inside the eye at the outer surface of the cornea. Okay, so maximum amount of जो incident light है वो refract हो जाती है inside the eye at the outer surface of cornea. तो cornea जो है वो सबसे outer surface है, and it is called as what? Transparent cover. Okay, yes. Then there is a dark fleshy screen behind the cornea, and that is called as iris. Here you can see iris. Okay. The color of iris is different for different people, as I have told you already. Here you can see, yes. So it for some people it is black, totally black. For some people it is lightly black. For some people it is brown. For some people it is blue. Okay, so it is different for different people. Okay, so this is called as here you can see it is called as iris. Okay, yes. Then there is a small hole of changing the diameter at the center of the iris, which is called the pupil. Okay, here you can see this is iris. You understand? Yes. But यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे तो ये जो part है, here you can see this. ये जो इतना सा जो part है, this वाला part, that is called as what? That is called as pupil. Okay, that is a small hole, so that is called as a small hole. Okay, so that light will get refracted. Okay, so here you can see that is called as what? That is called as pupil. Okay, the pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye. तो pupil का काम क्या है? It controls the amount of light entering the eye. If the light falling on the eye is too bright, pupil contracts. जब लाइट जो है वो अगर बहुत ब्राइट वाली लाइट हमारी आंखों पर पड़ती है तो क्या होता है? ये प्यूपिल जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. ओके, एंड इफ़ द लाइट इज़ डिम देन इट वाइड. ओके, अगर लाइट डिम होती है तो ये थोड़ा सा वाइड हो जाता है. ठीक है, येस. सो ऑन द सर्फेस ऑफ द आइरिश देयर इज़ अ बल्ज ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंट लेयर्स. On the surface of iris there is a bulge of transparent layer. Okay, there is a double convex transparent crystalline lens just behind the pupil. Yes, so this is an important part. Here you can see the crystalline lens. Crystalline मतलब क्या? Glass. Okay, lens तो आपको पता है. So here you can see the lens. And which lens is this? This is a Which lens is this? Okay, this is a convex lens. Here you can see the convex lens. Yes, very properly. If you have a diagram, here you can see the screen very properly, but if you have textbook then please open the textbook. Okay, so here you can see the convex lens. So our eye consists of which lens? Convex lens. ठीक है? Yes, so that is a crystalline lens. Here you can see this. Okay, then yes, then the next part, the lens provides small adjustment of focal length to focus the image. Yes, this lens creates a real and inverted image of an object on the screen inside the eye. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस जो हम लोगों ने देखा तो उसका इमेज कैसे फॉर्म हो रहा था? रियल इमेज एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज. इन्वर्टेड विच मीन्स उल्टा. यू नो दैट, राइट? येस. The screen is made of light sensitive cells and it is called as retina. Yes, here you can see the retina which is very important. अगर ये जो retina है वो ख़राब हो गया और इसको कुछ हो गया तो our eye will not work properly. So remember this, retina plays an important role in construction of our eyes and retina is very important for eye. Okay, yes. These cells gets excited when the light falls on them and generate electric signals. Okay. Yes, these signals are conveyed to the brain through the optic nerve. यहाँ पे देखो, this is the optic nerve. Here you can see the all the light gets meet. Okay, और यहाँ से जाके वो ऐसे रिफ्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं in any direction. ठीक है, this is the optic nerve. Later the brain analyzes this signal and convert them in such a way that we perceive the object as they actually are. ठीक है, सो रेटिना जो है वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है and through the retina we can see the image clearly and we can see the image as it is. If the retina gets disturbed, if the retina gets destroyed, then our eye will not work properly at all. ठीक है, okay. Yes. So, here we can see that while seeing the object at large infinite distance, the lens of the eye becomes flat. ओके जब हम कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है वो बहुत दूर है, ओके देन व्हाट हैपन्स, द लेंस ऑफ आई बिकम्स फ्लैट. तो वो कैसे बनते हैं, फ्लैट हो जाते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज द लेंस, इट विल बिकम फ्लैट एंड इट्स फोकल लेंथ इंक्रीजेस. एंड उसकी जो फोकल लेंथ है वो क्या हो जाती है, वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है. यू कैन सी द ए वाला पार्ट 7.12. ठीक है. वाइल सीइंग नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट द लेंस बिकम मोर राउंडेड. यहाँ पे देखो, अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नियर बाय है, एकदम पास है हमारे और थोड़ा ही एकदम यस सो पास है, तो क्या होता है, इट विल गेट राउंडेड, द लेंस विल गेट राउंड इन शेप. here you can see the convex lens. okay yes and its focal length decreases. और उसकी focal length जो है यहाँ पे देखो, that it will get decreases. ठीक है. yes so as it is shown in the B part. okay so this way we can see the object clearly irrespective of their distances. अगर दूर होगा तो क्या होगा, लेंस जो है इन द आई विल बिकम फ्लैट, और पास होगा तो इट विल बिकम राउंडेड. एंड यस so the capacity of the lens to change its focal length as per need. ओके तो फोकल लेंथ क्या हो जाती है, कभी कभी इंक्रीज हो जाती है, कभी डिक्रीज हो जाती है. यस सो एज पर द नीड. ओके हम थोड़ी बता सकते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट अभी हमको दूर ही मिलेगा, ओके कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमको इतना पास ही मिलेगा. सो दैट इज़ ऑन द स्पॉट. so it is yes that we need on the spot things, that is on the spot things. okay from this our eye will work. okay yes so that is called as what, that is called as power of accommodation. Although the elastic lens can change its focal length to increase or decrease it, it cannot do so beyond a limit. So there is a particular limit, beyond the limit it will not work. okay yes so the maximum distance of an object from a normal eye at which it is clearly visible without stress on the eye is called as, the minimum distance of an object from a normal eye at which it is clearly visible without stress on the eye, that is called as minimum distance of distinct vision. The position of the object at this distance is called as what? The near point of the eye. And for the normal human eye, the near point is what? 25 centimeter. The furthest distance of an object from a human eye at which it is clearly visible without stress on the eye is called as furthest distance of distinct vision. And the position of the object at this distance is called as far point of the eye. ठीक है. तो जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमको पास में दिखाई देता है तो यर इनको क्या कहेंगे, नियर पॉइंट ऑफ द आई. ओके और यहाँ पे क्या है, फार है, दूर है, तो उनको क्या बोलेंगे, फार पॉइंट ऑफ द आई. फॉर अ नॉर्मल आई द फार पॉइंट इज एट इन्फिनिटी. समझा. नॉर्मल आई के लिए फार पॉइंट मतलब कितना दूर देख सकते हैं हम, इन्फिनिटी. कभी कभी ट्रेन आती है ट्रैक पे तो हम ऐसे देखते हैं ना, इतने दूर से ट्रेन को देखते हैं कि ट्रेन आ रही है. येस सो दैट इज़ द सेम थिंग, फार पॉइंट ऑफ द आई. वी कैन सी द ट्रेन इज़ कमिंग लाइक from the far point we are on the platform. okay I hope you can understand. so yes so this is a point through which this is called a far point and it is at infinity for the normal eye. so that is called as far point of the eye and here you can see it is called as what, near point of the eye. जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे नियर होगा तो, और कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे फार होगा, दूर होगा, तो उनको बोलेंगे फार पॉइंट ऑफ द आई. So this was very easy about today's class. It is very easy and very interesting. So go through the video. Thank you.